Good morning, we have a HIIT class today. So it's gonna be mostly body weight, but it would be good to have a pair of dumbbells off to the side. We're gonna attack that a little bit later on, but let's get rolling. We're gonna start on the standing up. So go ahead and get those feet apart, hands behind your head. We're going into a power squat to start with an overhead reach. So reach across each time. Breathe out, twist the foot, exhale through. Keep going, wide knees, plant the heels down. Don't shoot forward to your toes too much. All right, we're gonna switch this in 3, 2, and jumping jacks next. Feet apart, feet together. Use your arms and your legs as one unit. After this, we're going into seal jacks. In 3, 2, 1, seals in and out. 3, 2, 1, relax. All right, catch your breath for a hot second. Next thing we're gonna do is a wide stance, toes pointing away from the body, sinking in, pick that toe up and hold. Stand up and switch. Stand up and switch. Stand up, switch. We're gonna do one more each side. Up and over, and one more. All right. Next thing we're gonna work on is a forward lunge into a reverse lunge. You're gonna see me step forward, opposite arm, opposite leg, push off that leg into that back angle. Keep going forward and back. Forward, back. All right, we're gonna switch directions in 2 and 1. 3, 2, 1, relax. Stand up, working on balance. We're gonna do an ISO for the hamstring, that single leg deadlift ISO, like a drinking bird. Hands go wide, balance on one leg. Let's fold and hold, ready, and down. Legs straight back behind you, squeeze the ground, chest up, maintain balance. 3, 2, and switch. Three, 2, and relax. Let's go ahead and take a seat. We're gonna go bridges first. Arms across your chest, feet planted, knees apart. Ready? And lift up with a pause, and control down. Up with a pause, down. Keep that pace. All right, last one. After this last bridge, hips go down, stay down though. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna bring one leg up first, keep it there into an iron cross. As your right leg goes to the left, have your head look to the right. Opposite direction. Back to the top and back over. One more. And switch. Last one. All right. Last thing we have on the ground is our rollover series. So go ahead and roll back and shoot forward, right, left, center, any pace you want. Try to get 2 full rounds in. One more set. After you finish all those sides, go ahead and stand back. All right. So we're gonna start, you guys get how the hurricane works. We're gonna start with our metabolic section, that high heart rate, high intensity movement. It is gonna be a lunging jump. So we're gonna start in a lunge position, mini jump, which switches legs. Opposite arm, opposite leg. You're gonna notice this. I don't wanna come up here. Watch my body angle, this is how tall I am. I'm not gonna hit that roof at all. Staying low and keeping yourself in that low lunge position. You can jump and get a little bit more of a balance if you wanna do that. But we're gonna go lunging jump to start. That's gonna be half of our hurricane set. From the lunge jump, we're gonna go right into more jumps, but then we're gonna go right into speed skaters back and forth. They're very similar with the compound movement. You're going up and down, controlling your balance. So lunge jumps into speed skaters. Afterwards, we're gonna be on the ground for double core. Our first core exercise is gonna be going into a dead bug. So it's gonna be a little bit different. That dead bug has a pause a little bit. So we're gonna be here, 1, 2, 3. The hand does not just rest on the knee. The hand pushes force into that knee. You fight the knee. Switch, switch, switch for the dead bug. One hand presses into that knee. After dead bugs, we're gonna roll over to our hands and go right into mountain climbers. A lot of core there. So, lunge switches into speed skaters. That's the metabolic part. And we have dead bugs and the mountain climbers as our exercise part, those reps. I'll go over it, I'll keep calling those out. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Lock in, low and strong. Get your feet not on a tightrope. Make sure your feet are wide and balanced. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Switch back and forth, back and forth. Try to absorb, bend your knees, drop in, drop in. You want those legs to get a little bit tired here. Let's go. Keep it up. All right, we're gonna switch to those speed skaters in 3, 2, 1. Over and back, over and back. Keep breathing, we got 5 more seconds. 2, 1. Relax, dead bugs. Ready, set, go. We got mountain climbers in 3, 2, 1. Flip over. Ready, set, go. All right, keep digging, keep digging. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Catch your breath, standing back up. All right. Next round starts in 7 seconds. 5. Let's load in low. Lunging squat jump. 2 and 1. Big legs, keep it up. We're gonna switch in 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Dead bug. All right. 5 seconds to start. Lay down, low backs on the ground, chin tucked, ready, and go. Opposite arm, opposite leg, you're doing great. Remember, push your hand into your knee. 3, 2, 1, mountain climber. We're in it, we're in it. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1. All right. Catch your breath. We got one more set in this round. Now let's stand up. We got 20 seconds. That stand up is in me. I think you guys are already standing. I'm like resting. All right. Last time doing these. Remember, this is not a scissor switch. You're not standing tall doing this. Getting low each time. Those legs burn a little bit. 3 seconds. Here we go. 2, 1. 5, 4, speed skaters in 2, 1, speed skater. Keep it up, stay chest high, strong legs, and swing those arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, dead bug. You got it, skate. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, mountain climbers. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Quick pulse check. Ready, set, go. Stop. All right. Good first round, Kate. So, before we start the next round, we are gonna go on the ground. We're gonna get a little bit of core work in there. So, Kate, when you're ready, go ahead and take a seat, get a few more breaths, and we are gonna do a quick little core session between each round. Because who can't do too much core? All right. We're gonna go flutters into scissor kicks for time. We're doing 2 sets, 20 seconds each. So it's 40 seconds on of flutters, 20 seconds of each, 40 seconds on total. Flutters to start and then switch to scissors. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Halfway. 3, 2, 1. Two and 1. One more set, Kate. All right, we got 5 seconds. 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Scissors. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Relax. All right. Catch your breath. We got a little bit of time off. We'll be starting our next round of the hurricane in just a second. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna grab a pair of weights. Our stationary movement is going to be a regular, traditional stationary knee drive. Stationary run, knee drive. From there, we're going to grab our pair of dumbbells or one dumbbell and go into a push press. Weight loads on the shoulders, bend the hips, fire overhead, catch with the legs. This is not like yesterday. Go lighter and go faster than yesterday's lift. Afterwards, we're gonna go into another core exercise. We're on the ground. We're gonna go right into our V-up, traditional single leg V-up alternating. So the dumbbells are only being used for push press. All right. Keep those weights at your side or in front of you. Stationary run to start. We got 10 seconds. Here we go. 5 seconds left. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Let's get a good pump. 3, 2, 1, and begin. Good arms, fast legs. Stay upright. Keep it up. All right, we're about halfway now. Keep your pace. Solid rhythm. Here we go, here we go. 5 seconds, blast it, blast it. 3, 2, 1, grab the weights. And 3, 2, 1, push press. Three, 2, 1. Weights go down. V-ups. 5 seconds. Let's get ourselves ready. 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, and time. All right, catch your breath. We're gonna hop on back up. We got 2 more sets to do. $15 seconds. 8 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's get rolling. Chin tucked, hands go shoulder height, and then back behind your hips. Get the hands through your body. All right, we're at 10 seconds left. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. 3, 2, 1. Push press, grab those weights, load them in. All right. 3, 2, go. Three, 2, 1. Weights go down. V-ups. All right, 3, 2, 1. Keep breathing, guys. Get all the way up. All right, right there, we're right there. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. We got one more set here. 20 seconds. All right, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Keep it up. 10 left. 3, 2, 1. Grab those weights. 5 seconds left before we start. Load in. Ready, set, go. Five, 4, 3, 2, time. V-ups. Ready, set, go. In 3, 2, 1, relax. Nice job. Let's check that pulse again. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Stop. I know I haven't moved yet. All right, we're gonna go into some more core and like kind of a in-between work between our sets and our rounds, so take a seat. We're gonna start on the ground again and flip over. Our first exercise is gonna be sitting down butterfly sit-ups. So knees wide, feet together, reach through. Afterwards, we're gonna flip over into shoulder taps. So butterfly sit-ups into shoulder taps, 20 seconds each, 2 sets. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Three, 2, 1. Breathing and controlling. 3, 2, 1. All right, hey, by the way, these shoulder taps and stuff and these butterflies, who cares how fast we're going? Work on form, work on how much muscle contraction, how much control you have. We're starting back up at 8 seconds. 5, and 3, 2, 1. Five seconds before we switch. Get ready in 2, 1, flip over. Five, 4, 3, 2, time. All right. For our final round of the hurricane, you're gonna go from a scissor switch into a squat jump, leaving the ground. Of course, as always, you can sub out that squat jump for a squat to calf raise if you wanna go a little bit less intense or easier on the joints. From there, we're gonna go into a high plank dumbbell row, no push-up like yesterday. This is gonna go into a high plank and you're just gonna row the arms back and forth. It's gonna look like this, dumbbells in hand, and you're just gonna alternate, no push-up involved, just a plank to row. When we are done that, we're flipping over onto the ground, and from there, we're gonna go into a full range sit and reach. So it's gonna look like this. The first exercise is that scissor switch. I'll count down, 3, 2, 1, go into squat jumps. After squat jumps, grab onto your dumbbells, then set up with that opposite arm rowing. As I count down from there, flip over into a full sit and reach. And that is gonna be our hurricane set. Doubling down that metabolic part again. All right, here we go. Standing up, we got 15 seconds. Five seconds. Switches to start. And begin. Back and forth, find your rhythm. Get that bounce down, guys. This is all front part of your foot. 3, 2, squat jumps, 1. Three, 2, 1, plank row. Ready, set, begin. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good stuff, Kate. All right, on the ground, sit and reach. 3, 2, 1. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. We got 2 more sets. Catch your breath. Woo! 15 seconds off. All right, let's gather ourselves. We got 5 seconds, high energy here. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Get in that starting position. Ready, and go. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1, jumps. Three, 2, 1, plank row, or regular plank, or regular rows. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Sit and reach. 5 seconds. 2, 1, begin. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, our final round is coming up. We got 15 seconds. Let's stand up, catch a deep breath before we start. 8 seconds. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Make it your best one, guys. Come on. Come on. All right. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Plank row. Ready. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. All right. Final sit and reach. In 3, 2, 1. Two, and time. Nice job. Let's do our pulse check. Ready, set, go. Stop. Nice work. All right. Catch your breath a little bit longer. All right, we have a finisher to come up with, and this is gonna be a double exercise, similar to what we did on the, it's always gonna be 2 exercises. This one's gonna be 1 dumbbell. Once I catch my breath, I'll stand up and show. All right, holding that 1 dumbbell, it's gonna be a squat iso front press. We're gonna be right here, going quickly in and out as fast as you guys can under control. Weight goes down, I'm gonna go into a burpee. Your burpee can add a push-up, it can add a jump, or it can just be that foot tap. You can go back, stand, you can go down, stand, or do the whole thing, down, jump, jump, all right? Each one is only 15 seconds. That's not that many reps. We're going 30 seconds on, we're gonna switch the exercises with no break, 30 seconds off, 2 sets. Okay, a few more seconds off here. Let's get us full recovery before we start. Let's take 25 more seconds off and we'll get going. Yeah, Kate. I need it, all right? 15 seconds. Remember to get low, get your knees down. Don't let your knees do all the work. Get your knees back behind you, get your butt involved. Strong chest, blades back. And don't worry about reaching all the way out here. Keep it close. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Squat hold right here. Keep it up, keep it up. We're gonna switch in 3, 2, put that bell down, 1, burpee. Three, 2, 1, relax. Big break. We got 1 more set. Twelve seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Keep going. 5, 2, and 1. Three, 2, 1. Yeah. We're done. Deep breath. All right. Let's take a nice stretch out. Feet together. Arms up. And fold. This time, reach across and fold over to the side. Come back up, other side. Quad stretch. Switch. And we got 2 more stretches. Next one, shoulder. Switch. And then we're going to go down to the ground. Calf stretch across the leg. Then a wall, you can use a wall. Switch. All right. Good to go. Catch you guys Friday.